Hello, this is what you're going to bid on a Commodore 64. It's working fine. The only thing, some keys require to be pressed harder than usual. They like, I don't know, tire or something. You need to press a bit hard on them to get them to work. But they all work. And you have this monitor working fine. The screen is looking great. You also have those two joysticks and a brand new power supply. We have this fast load and I don't know what you say that, but you know what I mean. You have Frogger, Diagnostic, and Avengers. Everything worked very well except for the key, like I said. So that's it.